Welcome to another mobile H2O problem water series video. This video will cover TDS, or total dissolved solids. The meter I am rinsing is a Myronel. This meter is used by boiler house operators and other people that use the meter for relatively high accuracy. As you see, I'm going to select a proper range. And you can see that once the range is selected, that the TDS will be around 508. Now this TDS is in part per million. Part per million is a calculation based upon micromos or microsiemen. The meter actually reads resistance of water passing across two probes, then calculates the TDS. And you can see the repeatability is about 511, which is maybe 2 part per million higher. So it has a good repeatability. This is a handheld meter you can buy for anywhere from $50 to $100. The accuracy of this meter is not the same as the Myronel, but for most people's use in the field, you don't need that kind of accuracy. All you want to do is an indication of where your incoming water is and where the treated water is during the life cycle of your exchanger. I'm going to turn the meter on and just put it in the water. You can see the TDS on this meter is 604, which is a little higher, a lot higher than the Myronels. But again, it's not super critical. But the repeatability is good, and that's what really counts. Then now I want to look at a water analysis. The water analysis of Lake Michigan water. You can see in the column titled Feed Water that the TDS is 214.87. Then as CaCO3, which is the standard in the industry, we convert everything to CaCO3. The TDS is 155. Then we balance the analysis, and then we do the softening. We show the softened water. Now this is the same analysis, but I've highlighted the soft water and the deionized water columns. As you can see, the soft water column is the same TDS as the balanced column, or nearly the same. And the reason for that is that calcium magnesium is exchanged for sodium in the water softening process. However, on the deionization process, TDS is exchanged for hydrogen and a hydroxide, which comes out H2O. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your business.
Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to talk to you about the TastePURE portable water softener. Some shore or campground water supplies have hard water, which is water with increased mineral content. And while it's generally safe to drink, hard water can cause increased rust and corrosion on metal and damage your water-consuming appliances, wearing them down over time. The TastePURE portable water softener installs on the outside of your RV or boat and reduces water hardness through an ion exchange process. Magnesium and calcium ions in the hard water are replaced with sodium ions, creating softer water. Using soft water for your RV or boat increases the life of appliances, increases lathering of soaps, and helps prevent rust and scale buildup, among other benefits. This ready-to-use kit includes one portable water softener, one 4-foot hose, one male-to-male hose fitting, 2 storage caps, and 50 test strips. To install, turn off your water supply. Use a hose to connect the water supply to the water softener's female inlet. Turn on the water supply and allow the system to flush for 5 to 7 minutes. Turn off the water supply and use the 4-foot hose to connect the water softener's male inlet to your RV's water inlet. Now you're good to go. The test strips measure the hardness level of your water softener to let you know when to regenerate. A largemouth opening is located at the top for adding brine solution. A brine solution, made of common table salt and warm water, will regenerate the water softener by flushing out the minerals it catches from the hard water. The water softener also features a convenient carry handle for easy transport, and it's compact enough for space-saving storage. So there you have it, the TastePURE portable water softener from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Welcome to a mobile H2O video. This video covers our professional carpet cleaning water softening system. This is the system. As you can see, it has an inlet valve, a salt caddy, and a water softener. Water comes in through the inlet valve, goes down through the salt caddy, then up the center. Then it goes into the water softener, goes down through the resin, and up through the distributor and out. That is a port that is plugged at this point, and you will see later in this demonstration how we can use it. This is the distributor. The water comes in the inlet, goes through the upper screen, and then down through the resin and up the distributor tube and out. The port I mentioned can be used for a second line if you need water for some other purpose, or you can put a sample valve to test your water from time to time to see what the hardness of that water is. You should regenerate your softeners at a maximum of 3 grains. For the carpet business, probably even 1 grain would be, keep it really fresh. Okay, now we'll go through the operation of the softener, the regeneration process. This is the valve, the inlet valve. We've closed it all the way. Now we're going to crack it open just to show you that it can be adjustable. It is what we call a gate valve, which is highly adjustable. Now we're closing it. I'm going to remove the salt caddy. And you'll see inside the salt caddy there is a sleeve. Now at this point it has a cartridge filter in the caddy. You can take the cartridge filter out. We sell carbon block style cartridge filters that can be used in your softener system. This is the caddy itself. It's got a plastic lid with a what we call an industrial seal. This is the bottom of it. The water comes through the bottom, passes up through the salt, and comes out the top. That is what I'm holding in my hand is an industrial O-ring. But make sure it's in there rather solid. You can see these little nabs or tabs. Just place the cap over that and twist to the right. There you go. The salt caddy is sealed. You filled it with salt. And you put it into the housing, and then again I'm showing you in the housing of these industrial seal. And then you install the caddy housing onto the caddy housing head. And it can be a little tricky because it's heavy, and you hold it with one finger or a couple of fingers at the bottom. Get it centered. It takes a little time sometimes. They're a little bit off.
How do professional car washes get cars so spotless and shiny? It's not the soap, it's the water. The secret is in the final rinse. Car washes use special purified water that prevents hard water and chemical additives from leaving spots and streaks. Now, the same technology used at professional car washes is available for use at home. Introducing the Unger Professional Rinse and Go Spotless Car Wash System. The system takes your regular tap water and removes all of the spot-causing contaminants. The result is totally purified water to use to wash and rinse your car. Get spot-free results every time you wash your car with no need to hand dry. It's also great for RVs, boats, motorcycles, and more. Watch as a car rinsed with Rinse and Go pure water dries completely spotless. The untreated water leaves behind spots and streaks. Now you can get spot-free results every time you wash your car, just like at a professional car wash. No need to hand dry, just rinse and go.